All right, here's a question where they're looking for how many ways you can do something. Now they're looking for 5-digit numbers, and so the order of those numbers makes a difference. Therefore, this one is a permutation. Now I don't know if you need to use a permutation with this one or not, or you can just use the fundamental counting principle. So we're wanting to use these digits, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. And we don't want to do it without repetition or with repetition. No, I should make that with repetition. Okay, so originally, so what I asked myself is, what could I put in here? Well, I could put the 2 or the 4 or the 6 or the 8 or the 9. So there's 5 options for me to put in that spot there. Then in the next spot, if I've already used one, again, if I can't repeat things, if I've already used one, say I've used this one, then there's 4 left to go in the next slot. And using the same logic, 3, then 2, then 1. So if you multiply all this together, 20, 60, 120. So there'd be 120 ways that you could put those numbers in an order without repetition. Now, if you can repeat, then in the first slot you've got 5, but in the next slot you'd have another 5, because you could repeat the 2, or whichever numbers you start with, you could repeat it. So you have another 5 numbers you could use. And again, with each one of the other spots, you could use any of those 5 numbers. So 25 times 25 is 625 times another 5, 25, 12, 3125. So if you can repeat the numbers, you'd have way more numbers of arrangements or permutations than you would if you could not repeat the numbers. Hopefully that helps with that question.